So a girl forgot to say that, sorry if you hear any background noise, they are doing construction upstairs, hashtag when you're renovating. Okay, but let's get started. I'm Tracy and today I am late. Don't judge me. I hope you guys are staying safe during quarantine times, but I need to go to work. Anyhow, you don't care about that. Siboko had made dinner last night and she shared a pic. So I'm going to try and recreate her rice, stew, and chicken. But I'm gonna add a twist, see if I can, add some more veggies here and there, add some tastiness to it. So let's get started. We're going to start with the rice. And this is a mixture of purple rice and oats that I have. So I'm gonna use that, not a lot of it because I don't want to just have rice throughout the week. I've never really been a rice fan, almost tested. Not for me. I would prefer, our maize meal or mini meal or southern carbs. Anyway, I'm just gonna have rice for probably 2 days, and then the other days I'm going to have half of a butternut. This is a butternut. Half of a butternut or a squash. I'm gonna say a squash. Then, for my stew, I'm going to add in my baby corn. Wow, baby corn, and then some mushrooms because I love mushrooms. I just have chicken. I just have this. I have the wings, but I have not the flats, the drums. I think that's what they're called. So I'm gonna use these and some asparagus. If you know me, you know I have fallen in love with asparagus, even though it makes your kiss. It's good for you, so have your asparagus. I haven't seasoned anything. I am late. This is going to be fast. Let's get started. Alright. Let me show y'all what's going on. There's some rice here, some purple rice for 2 days. And then there's some pumpkin. Today I'm boiling or lightly steaming. And then in here, we have asparagus, chicken, drumstick, and some baby corn. But I'm also going to make a little soup on the side. So I'm going to use where is it? I'm going to use these mushrooms and some peppers. Before I was cut off red and orange pepper, and then I'm going to fry that up. Add in the mushrooms, give that a bit of a shwa. Add some saucing and a shwa. Water, spice, shwa. Not too much seasoning. You're not trying to kill yourself with sodium. Just enough. Anyway, happy Monday, y'all. Hey! Okay! Look at those mushrooms. Don't come at me for my peppers. They were pre-cut. I cut them a bit larger by mistake. But look at those. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna do this a bit more. I'm not playing with the food. I'm just doing an even distribution roast. Then I'm gonna add my secret sauce over here. I'm not telling you what I put in it, but yeah, that's my soup. Do you see this? Simmer my sauce. I will see you later. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. So I miscalculated the meat. It was cooked, but I miscalculated the days. And I realized another compartment in my bento box is empty. Then I consoled myself and I said, you don't need to fill it. You don't need to have a food plate all the time. I'm gonna send pics. Don't judge me, don't laugh.
Alright, so I didn't end up embarrassing myself, which is wonderful. In place of rice, as one option, you can use some squash. And then I have my sauce here, which is my stew. I had made a secret blend of different seasonings as well as some veggies. There are mushrooms and peppers in there. The spices, you spice how you like, but you try and avoid too much salt. Option 2, we have actual rice. I used purple rice with some mixed oats in there, some asparagus to, make it pretty. The stew, of course, under that, the broccoli again, and the chicken. So yes, this is my remake of it. Thank you once again so much, Siboko, for sharing the pic. People, share your pics. I want to try and remake. So yeah, these are the last men standing. We have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So yeah, I love it. Hope you love it too. Bye.